I've been to a lot of Mexican restaurants. I've been to a lot of boba restaurants. But for as long as I lived in SoCal, no one had the idea to combine a horchata with boba. Until today. And yes, there's kids drying on my fridge. Just live with it. Okay, let's begin by grabbing a medium-sized frying pan, to which we'll add 2 cups of white rice. Then let's add 2 cinnamon sticks. One moment. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Then let's add about 6 to 10 cloves. Set the pan over medium-high heat. And let's toast our ingredients. This will excite all the oils and our spices, making our horchata even yummier. Oh, yeah, don't do that, by the way. When they're nice and fragrant, take them off the heat and add it to the cup of a blender. Then let's add 3 cups of water. Next, stick it onto the actual blender, put it on high, and do to the rice what your dad did to your self-esteem. Now set this aside for 1 hour minimum so the flavors can get to know each other. Well, after an hour, well, more than an hour, I have been filming multiple episodes and my feet are killing me, but I am masking so as to not blow out the microphone. But before we return to our horchata, let's take care of the boba. I have here a pot of boiling water and a smaller pot with not boiling water. We'll get to that in a minute. And to the pot of boiling water, let's add 1 cup worth of boba pearls. And while these little lovelies plump up in our jacuzzi, good taste by the way guys, let's work on the brown sugar simple syrup. In this pan I have about 1 cup of water. Let's set that over medium-high heat. And as that heats up, let's add roughly 1 cup of brown sugar. Mix until it dissolves and thickens slightly. See as our brown sugar simple syrup is ready. So kill the heat and put it next to the pot so we can evacuate the boba. Oh, and cook the boba for about 20 minutes. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. Our boba is nice and gooey. Let's transfer it to our brown sugar simple syrup. Alright, the horchata has been horchataed. Let's pour the contents out of here through a strainer and into a pitcher. As you can see, this is still a work in progress. So let's progress. Let's add 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, a teaspoon and a half of vanilla, and finally 3 cups of milk. Now some say you're supposed to use almond milk, but I'm okay with using regular milk. And besides, according to the Institute of Mexican Cultural Practices, who the hell cares? Mix everything together with a whisk. Now we can finally make our horchata boba. First, let's add the boba. Then some ice. And finally, our horchata. Then grab a boba straw, link in the description, and enjoy. I swear, this is relaxing after a long day of filming. Not just today's episode, but the next episode over the next 2 weeks. And shorts. I can't afford to take that many days off anymore. So, help out. Support me on Patreon, link in the description. This has been Chase Cuttin Kitchen. I'm CRJ, making cooking fun and meaning it this time.
Horchata